Now one more example where we will construct an angle which is possible to draw with the help of the compass and pencil. Construct an angle of 105 degree. Write steps of construction that how you have drawn it and give justification that why the angle is of 105 degree. So first of all, how we will construct this I would like to show you. If you are interested, you can construct it together with me. How? First of all, draw any base ray. This is the ray named as OX, and take your needle of compass at O with convenient radius. Mark an arc starts from the base ray like this. This is point A. Now without changing this radius, mark another arc. Suppose this is B. So what you can conclude that this angle will be of 60 degree. Now without changing it, again mark an arc. Then you can find this is the new angle of 60 degree. So this complete angle, if I talk about AOC, here angle AOB is 60 degree as explained you. If same arc is taken, then angle BOC is also 60 degree. So their sum will give you angle AOC 120 degree. Now if I ask you to bisect this arc BC, we will take the needle of compass once at C, once at B. We will mark the arcs whose length is more than the half of BC. Suppose these are meeting at point P. Then we will join this P to O. As this is suppose Y, then this angle BOY. Angle BOY is how much? 30 degree. Reason being BC is 60 degree. The arc BC is 60 because arc AB is 60. AB and BC are equal arcs. As AB is making 60, so arc BC at O is also making 60 degree. This BP is the OP is the bisector. So what you can say, angle BOP. Angle, you can say angle BOP or angle BOY. Same angle is 30. If this 30 degree angle is clubbed with this angle, this means what? This means your angle that AOB. So angle AOB is 60 and angle BOY. Angle BOY is equals to 60 plus 30. That's why I can say angle AOY is equals to 90 degree. Angle AOY become 90 degree. This angle AOY, this is 90 degree. So sometime one can ask you how to construct an angle of 90 degree by using ruler and compass. That is also clear. How to construct 60 is this way. How to construct 120? 120 is this one. How to construct 90? This is also clear because this is 60, this is 30. So their sum is what? This one, 90 degree. Okay. But I want to construct an angle of 105. If 15 degree is added in 90, then 105 result will come. This angle AOP or AOY is 90 degree as explained you with the reason. Now I have to bisect this arc CY, taking C as center and Y as center. Radius or length of arc more than half of CY. You know angle YOC is how much? YOC is 30 degree. Angle BOY is also 30 degree because this entire BC is of 60. So if I bisect this and if joint this, bisector is the same process, taking C as center, taking Y as center. Radius more than the half of CY, where these two arcs will meet. Suppose point is Q and here the point is suppose R. So I can tell you angle ROY is 15 degree because this angle is 30. So half of this is 15. So what conclusion will come? Angle XOR. Angle XOR is equals to angle XOY. Angle XOY plus angle YOR plus angle YOR. So what is this? 90 plus 15, that gives us 105 degree.